What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back to Expression Culture. Here with me, Gareth, the Honda Guru. Today we've got more Maxton Design parts for the Civic. So obviously in the last video we did the side and rear skirts for it. Already had the front, so you can go check them out in other videos. I will link them in the description. There's also a review on that car. Today we are fitting the spoiler extension piece, and that will complete the Maxton Design kit for this car. So here it is in all its glory. Can't really see it much in this bag, to be honest, but again, this is gloss black, so it's an additional charge. So obviously we'll get this out of the bag and we'll have a proper look at it. One thing I actually did forget to mention last time we did this is we actually do have a discount code for Maxton Design UK, their website. So if you use EC UK 10, you get 10% off, which pretty much covers the postage in most of them, because their postage is extortionate. I got into a bit of a rant actually with them the other day, because obviously this one piece is £11 shipping, which I think is quite a lot, and I expect the next day for that. We ordered it Monday, it didn't turn up till Thursday. But it's shite really. I could go to Argos and buy something for £3.99 and get it on the same day. Wank. Anyway, let's have a proper look at it now. It's outside the bag. There it is. Obviously this has still got the transparent film on it, so it looks a bit scuffed up. Like I said in my last video, and it clearly states it there, do not peel that protective film off until you've checked fitment and make sure it's not damaged, because it kind of like voids their warranty. They won't return it, take it to stock. Obviously it's just comes with a little cleaning sachet, because this one just sticks on with already pre-supplied tape. I actually had a problem with my CRZ one, but I don't know whether it's just a poor shape, and I had to take their tape off and put the tape I normally use on. It's much stronger, which is now held, but yeah, we had problems with it lifting in the corners here. You can see it is a little bit still, just a bad design. Right, let's get it fitted. Right, so as I said, it comes supplied with surface cleaning sachet by 3M. Oh wow, that's not actually very good at all. That is horrible. That was a waste of shit. Hold on whilst I get my proper stuff. Right, quick little tip. I don't know why they've done that. They've put those two little pads there, but I'll take them off. I got this tip when I worked at Honda, when we used to stick on stuff that was adhesive. To peel it off a little way, fold the tab out so it's out underneath it. So then you can get it where you want it, and you can still pull it off and adjust it. Then when you're completely happy where you will, pull the rest out. So you get a rough idea of where you want it. It's about there-ish. Let's make sure everything's equal, which I believe it is. So I'm going to start from this side, because it starts to lift this side a bit more. Things are slightly distorted. Sorry about my neighbours. Just pull away. Applying light pressure. There we go. Again, just as pull. Applying light pressure. And the final one in the middle. This is what it snapped. There we go. Just check your panel lines again, just to be 100% sure. Applying light pressure. Always do it with the film still on, because you don't rub your fingers all over it. Well, that's quite firm. Right, now for the final reveal. There we go. You get like little bits of dust and packaging on the edges and that. Just go around with a microfiber. I'll do that now. Here we go then. Here's the finished article. It's very good. Nice lines. There's from this angle. One thing I don't like about it, I saw this on a website actually, I think it was on their own website. They stick this fucking foil sticker, visible for you to see, on it, which I'm sure I can take off with a bit of rubbing alcohol or something, but I mean it's down low, you might not see it really. Just says Maxton Design original product on it. I suppose it's just trying to sort of, you know, determine between genuine and fake copies, because obviously people are now trying to copy their designs. But yeah, that's the rest of the body kit we used pretty recently. Had a bit of rain recently, so it's got a bit of dirt and watermarks on it. But yeah, very, very cool. I like it a lot. Really does give just that little edge to the spoiler. Very cool. Whew. Well, boys and girls, there's another video in the bag. Like I said, if you want some Maxton Design parts for your vehicle, head over to Maxton Design's website. I think my code is only available for use on the UK website. So that's ECUK10, Expression Culture UK10, and that'll get you 10% off. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Great to see those numbers slowly coming up. Thank you very much. Thank you to Danny and Richard over at Dynodaze for sponsoring the channel. It's great help. Love those guys. Head up to their website, Dynodaze Performance Parts. Go check them out if you need any parts. If they don't have what's listed, if they don't have what you want listed on their website, contact them and they'll get you a great price. And obviously that's paired with their great customer service. Danny and Richard, lovely people. Head up just to go see them. Go get your car tuned there, get your car dynoed. Check out my video when I went to go and finally meet them. I'll link that in the description as well. Link at it all. Thanks for sticking around, guys and girls. Hope you enjoyed the content, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.